Hey guys, thanks for joining me. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. Today we will learn how to write our first JavaScript. You can write your JavaScript inside this script tag. Your script tag can be placed everywhere within the HTML tag, but you are recommended to keep the script tag within the head tag, okay? The script tag may contain two important attributes. They are language and type. First, we will talk about the language. To the opening of the script tag, you can show the language as JavaScript, but it is not compulsory as it phased out with the development of new versions of HTML. It can be written as language equals quotation mark JavaScript quotation mark. Next, we will learn about the type. This attribute indicates the scripting language in use, which identifies the content between the script tag. The type attribute can be written as shown here. Type equals quotation mark text slash JavaScript quotation mark. As the text slash JavaScript became outdated, it had replaced with the application slash JavaScript. So it can be written as type equals quotation mark application slash JavaScript quotation mark. However, the type attribute is optional upon the introduction of HTML5. So in short, both the attributes language and type are optional in the new versions of HTML. Now we will write our first JavaScript with document.write. We have here the document.write. Then inside the round brackets and quotation marks, we have hello friends. Wow, congratulations! We wrote our first JavaScript successfully. Let's try one more thing. Type here function, then type any function name followed by the round brackets. We will set this alert message. Your payment has been sent successfully. Inside the body tag, we have here the input tag. The type is button. Next, we have the onClick. Put this function name here. The value of the input will be new message. Let's add here two BR tags to break down the lines. If we click here, it will give us this alert message. That's it. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comment box below. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel for more videos. Thanks for watching and stay technically sound.